Hello, and today we're going to be doing the nighttime routine for the animals. So we're just going to be locking them up. First we're going to go to the bigger chickens. Okay, so I just have to lock them up, and so what I do for that is I just close this door right here. As you can see, it has like this hook. And put this hole in. And then boom, that's all you do for the bigs. Okay, so we're going to lock them up. Usually the Silky is in right now, but she's just having a little bit of food. And we'll grab her and put her in. Right here. And then what you do is you just push that in, and then I'll close these doors. And then Edwina's flock is finished. Okay, so we have to let the pig out, and then we're going to do the goats after we put them in. Come on, Oliver. Oliver. Come on, Oliver. He wants to get the chickens food. Come on, Oliver. Come on, Oliver. Let's go. Come on, Oliver. Okay, then I give him his scoop of food. And then you will see our morning routine, and basically it's the opposite of this. Okay, so I'm going to lock them up. I have some goat pellets, so they come on in their goat house. And I'm going to pour it in their bowl. And then good up. Okay, so I just wanted to tell you guys, we only lock up the outdoor animals because they're the ones who are around predators. And we just lock up the dogs, and then, yeah, it's finished.
Go.
Okay, so I'm trying to get them in here. Let me grab him real quick. Or chase her in there. Put her in there. Close this up. Then moving on to the dogs. Usually they go on their own, but it's a little bit early, so we had to put them in on their own. And then we just added this sign, the Fluffy Butthead, because they're very fluffy. Next we're going to do the dogs, and here. Quasi! I just grabbed 2 treats, and they know where to go. And Oliver is right next to them. Quasi! Quasi! Now just cover them up, and then I'll show you what I do with Bella. Okay, and then Bella just sleeps in my mom and dad's room. So Ben, come on, lay down. Good girl. And that's all we have to do for Bella. Okay, so I'm just doing the cats first, and I'll just fill up their food bowl. And then we're going to do our litter box. What you do to do the litter box, you don't have to scoop anything out. You roll it. So basically it keeps all the food it put the piece of pee in that cup. And go back and let's see. Wow. Okay, I will empty that out. Okay, and then that's all for the nighttime routine. Make sure to check out the morning routine video.